Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to prove about this one. So we know that number 9 multiplied by number 9, that is about 81. Then 81 multiplied by number 9, that is about 729. And later that this number 9 again, we got about 6,561. So we can see that they repeat about one number 9, and later that they go back to number 1. So if we use about two numbers 9 in here, you got 81. If we use three number in here, you got the last digit that is about number 9. If you go to for number 9, we have the last digit that is about number 1. So when we go back in here, we see that 9 to the power of 9, that means we have 9 of number 9. So this is about odd. That means 3 number 9, you got about the last digit, this is about number 9. So if we have 9 of number 9, that is about the odd number in here. So the last digit, that is about number 9. So this one, you got the last digit that is about number 9. This one similar, you got the last digit that is about number 9. So number 9 minus number 9, you got the last digit that is about number 0. So because the last digit that is about number 0, that means they can divide by number 10. And this is the technique how to answer the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.